Trading with $5,000 here, so there's a resistance there. So this is right. So it's broke through this resistance. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and you can see these were the high highs up here, and the market's been zigzagging around here. So we're looking to get a win. So I want it to go up a little bit higher. So I may cut in and out of this video until we get to the stage where I want to place my order. And then we just zoom out again. We're going up quite high now, which is good. And if I zoom in a bit, these are strong candles. These are strong candles. So I believe it's still going to rise some more, but I'm not going to place my my order yet. I want it to go as high as I think it's going to go, and then I'm going to place an order for a drop in price. Let's just zoom in again, see how we're doing. See, once we get up to these lines up here, between these two lines, this is where I want to really be placing my order for the price to go down. Okay, it's still on a rise. It's broke through this little. There was a couple of little resistance here since I started this morning trading, and what I wanted to do is I've taken these two lines here. This is a resistance line, so if I can get in between these two lines here, my order for a lower price, then I'm looking good. So I'm just going to zoom in again, and it looks like we're sort of hanging around over here at the moment. So we've still got this. The market's not quite sure what it wants to do. Now we're getting to the cookies here. I just need it to go up a little bit higher before, I could have placed an order there for it to be lower, but it's hit this line. You see, it's hit this resistance line. So I'm just going to hang on now because I want to get right over to here. I want to get in at the last point. So there we are. It's broke through. So will it go through a little bit higher? Just zoom out. What we're looking at here, we're right up on this line here. So it's looking good for me to place an order soon. And I'm going to make my lower price. I've gone right above. I'm up at the highest high, and I'm going to pop it in there. So I've placed 5,000. Okay, place 5,000 to get a lower, for the price to be lower than that point there. So we broke right through these two lines here. So now I've got to see what happens, and we've got 27 seconds on the clock, and we should stand to make $4,550. I like to do just one trade in a day. I try not to do more than that. If I can make a trade and make $4,000, then I'm happy with that. Now, what I'm showing you here is I'm going to be teaching and showing you how to do this. There you go. I've just made $4,500. I'll see you in another video. If you're interested in finding out how to trade like this, then below this video you're going to find a link, and I'm going to show you how you can plug into a trading bot that's going to show you how to do crypto to fiat. Okay, you're going to get access to that bot. I could have placed another order down, but I'm happy. $4,500 in one day, in a matter of minutes. I'll see you in another video. Make sure you click that link if you want to get access to training like this and access to a robot that does this for you on autopilot. I'll see you in another video. Bye now.